Hello and welcome to Persian cuisine. My name is Chef May. Today I'm going to make a very special meal and it is called pasta with ground beef. Here are the ingredients. Let's go and make this beautiful meal for Tuesday. Here are the ingredients. The first ingredient, of course, is pasta, ground beef, onion, potato, pasta sauce, salt, pepper, turmeric, olive oil. And of course, every good chef needs a good cutting board, strainer, a very good pot, and a very good pan. The first thing you do is boil some water to add the pasta, to boil it for about 10 minutes. A packet of pasta is good for 4 people. And after you add it, you push it in and let it boil for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to add some salt and just a little bit of oil to the pasta to make sure they're not going to stick together. You have to make sure you stir it because you don't want them to stick together and become like a bun. This is a medium-sized onion. I'm going to chop it and saute in olive oil. Make sure you're going to cut them in very small pieces. You don't want a chunk under your teeth when you're eating your pasta. Cooking is like meditation. When you cook, you have to be zen. It feels good. It gives you a lot of power, gives you a lot of energy, and it feels fantastic. Add the onion to the pan and add some olive oil and let it saute. You can turn off the heat a little bit. Now it's time to stir the onion to make sure it's going to turn golden brown. We love the smell of frying the onion. It smells amazing. Love it, love it. Pasta is boiling for about 10 minutes. I'm going to turn off the heat and pass it through a strainer. This is called the pasta dancing, dancing pasta, pasta dancing. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Please make sure you always buy organic turmeric. Now it's time to add the ground beef. This is about 1 pound of ground beef. You can add as little or as much as you like. So I'm going to put the lid on and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Then I'm going to mix them together, Persian style. You need a medium-sized potato to add it to the bottom of the pot because you need crunchy tahdig with your pasta. This is absolutely delicious because you get tahdig, which is the crunchy bottom, and the pasta. I have a Persian rice cooker here. The reason I use it because it has a timer. I put it on 35 minutes. I add some olive oil to the bottom and then I add the potatoes. One of the best pasta sauces is organic creamy vodka from Whole Foods. I add it here and then I mix it up. Now it's time to add the pasta with the meat sauce, and this is what I do. I take a bunch, I put it here with my hands because I'm going to eat this food, so it's perfectly okay to use my hand. And then I add some meat sauce. And you do this again. And then add the meat sauce. Hello. And you do this again. And then you add the meat sauce. Since this is a Persian style pasta and you don't want it to be too mushy, you add a cloth to the top and then tie it very tight. This is called damkoni, which is controlling the moisture of the food, which allows not too much moisture to be in the food. Your food is not going to be mushy. You add it on top. You put the rice cooker on 35 minutes, or you cook it for 35 minutes, and then we're going to have the most amazing pasta Persian style. We usually have Persian Shirazi salad, which is a combination of onion, cucumber, tomato, and lemon. You just peel it. They go very well together. When you're making salad, you have to be like a Picasso or an artist in your kitchen. For the Persian style Shirazi salad, we usually cut the cucumber and tomato and onion into very small pieces. I think that's because traditionally they wanted to have it better digested, but it's perfect. It's just perfect. I am Picasso, and this is my brush. This part of tomato is not really edible, it's cellulose, and it's not going to be digested if you eat it. So you better take it out. You roll the lemon a little bit and then cut it. Why you roll the lemon? Because it makes it really, really juicy. You add some salt to your salad and just a tiny bit of black pepper. Then mix. Once you set it aside until the dinner is ready within the next half an hour, the combination of all these ingredients is going to infuse and it's going to be absolutely, absolutely fragrant and delicious. Our dinner is ready to be served. Here we go. Take the lid off. You need a round tray. You put it up here. You use some cloth and then you flip it. And you lift it. Wow. This is our very beautiful Persian style pasta with meat sauce. It's absolutely delicious with tahdig, the crunchy bottom. I hope you make it and enjoy it. Bon appetit and nushe jan.